Hello guys, welcome to Roblox. Well, actually, I have been make a video, but I just put in my trash can. I just saying goodbye is that and not using that because keep loading. I don't you get I don't uh okay. Let's play fart attack. I haven't. I have played this game, but today I'm not playing. I haven't played this game. I played this game in 2018, but now I'm not playing. So 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 at Sir Patrick's Day, I'm going to. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! I have to eat. That's wrong. Just Woody, fuck. I'm gonna pick fatter, pink, fatter. Now, get it? Fatter, get it? Okay, now let's play. Ew. That's so gross. Oh no. Oh. I did poop. Ew. Oh. Oh, I'm become freaking. Oh. I'm pretty fat.
Double kill.
Wait, is that the voice? Oh. Fort power. Ouch, I'm dead. I'm still level 4. Fart power. Select fart. I got. Oh, this. Ooh. Oh, just I'm going to get fart. Yeah, I always get fart if I smell something. I got explosion fart. If I hold it, I got big fart.
Double kill.
Never kill. Mom said that. B. Bleh. I need that. What the
Double kill.
Double kill. Oh, that means I become.
Double kill.
C. Oh! I'm the smelly asshole. I got my. Oh no! Oh shit! Oh no! No! Oh no! This game is so. Oh, I forgot to do it. I have to press F. Oh no! Boo! Boo! No! No! Good fart. Got big fart. Got big fart, bitch. Okay. Oh man, I need to pull. I need to fart again. Oh, I need to get like a lot of them. No need. I fart super hard. I hate green beans, Daddy. Triple kill. What does that mean, huh? I'm going to fight on you. Summer to the. Hey, you stole my. Fantastic. Fight! I just fought on her. Hey! I hate corns. I really hate corns. I only love no hair corn because you, so disgusting. Ew. I'm dead now. What the heck? That guy's not dead? I got only one kill. Fart. Poop. Fart attack! Oh, there's a pootie. Walk to there. We walk together. He's a doggy pootie. Ew. Wait, didn't I? Oh no! Can see that thing over there. Okay, everyone. Can you help me? What is that? Okay. Help me to say this. I'm big as fat. I'm going to fire on him. Just pull that thing. I'm making a video. Stop annoying. Oh, I made that. I'm making a video.
So what do you want when you make video?
I don't know.
Hả?
I'm making.
Em làm video để làm gì?
I haven't made any videos since I haven't start get break. There. Yeah? Failed.
Why I have to get for them?
Do the video. Okay.